Okay, so this is day one of painting. I got so much done. Actually, it's a little difficult because I did not tape anything off. I have a trimmer that I used to go around, and I used a tiny paintbrush for the ceiling, which is super, super difficult. I know I'm gonna have to go and get actually not go and get, I'm gonna have to do some touch up on the ceiling with some white just to fix it. And everything looks really blue, doesn't it? So here's the paint samples. I picked the top right corner. It's called Ocean Air. And to me, it feels like it's the second one down in the middle. But when you do this, they are the same color. But it's scary. So that's it for today. I'm going to take a nice needed sleep, and tomorrow I am going to roll out the rest. And tomorrow's Wednesday. So next Monday the floor is being delivered, and Tuesday it's being installed. So this should be done by the end of next weekend, like next weekend. I don't know. I'm losing it. I'm tired. All right, we'll be back when the walls are done. So here it is, fully painted. I think it is looking better and better every day to me. At first it looked like really bright baby blue. And I don't really know what you're seeing through the camera. It's hard to tell. I think if I include like the floor, you can kind of tell. It's pretty nice. Let me walk over here so you can see it with my chair. So that's like the teal color that I love, and the wall has that little tint of it. I'll show you the color palette that I chose it from also, just so you can see. So it is the top right-hand corner. That's the one I picked. It's called Ocean Air from Benjamin Moore. Super pretty. But to me, it feels like the second one down. That's what it looks like when I walk in here sometimes. But today it's looking better. All right, let me put the camera on a different angle. And okay, so I thought I would give you guys an update, show you how it's going. Basically, the room is somewhat empty. There's still a few things left in here, but I do have to get them out this weekend because Tuesday the floors are being installed. So I am getting some laminate wood grain looking floors. They're going to be like a smoky gray. They're called Farmhouse. That's the name of them. So very cool. My husband pointed out that we're probably not going to see the floors because of all the furniture and stuff that's coming back in here, but it'll look nice. All right, so just to keep you guys going so you don't think that I'm not doing anything, I do have some hauls to share with you, and I thought I would do it this way just to be a little different. So I have been watching every single room tour YouTube video that is on YouTube to get myself ready for this. And lately I've come across some items from scrapbook.com which I really wanted to get. So these are pretty much February purchases that I made that I've just been rolling in. The first thing that I got was these storage containers for the Nuvo drops. So this is scrapbook.com brand. I think it was Mommy Loves Gigi. She had posted that they have like this special in February. It's like February freebies. And this was one of her freebies. And I was like, what? But they were only $6.99. I got the 2-pack. Can't quite remember how much the 2-pack was, but it was a 4-pack. So I got 4 of these. So it is the holder, so you put your Nuvo drops in upside down, and it comes with a lid. And then the lid actually can sit on the bottom so you can do stadium. Now, when my order showed up, 2 of them, the lids were broken. So I'm assuming it was from shipping. Probably the box got dropped or something, but 2 of them were broken. I emailed scrapbook.com and they were super awesome. They offered money back or send me 2 new ones. So I did ask for 2 new ones because I really do need them. So they came in and they were perfect. And of course I ordered more. So with that order, I don't quite remember what was on that order. Oh, there were some sale items. So I did get this Lawn Fawn Hero Arts collaboration stamp set. What is it even called? I don't know if it even has a name. You know how Hero Arts doesn't put the name of their items, and it just says item number PR103. It says exclusive Big Thanks stamp set, so that must be the name of it. It's Big Thanks. So with the rhinoceroses, I just thought it was so adorable, and it was on sale, so I picked that up. This was also in sale. It's a Thanks Teacher die from Lawn Fawn, and I do make thank you cards for a lot of my coworkers for their kids for school. And I got this little crafty die from Heffy Doodle, super adorable. And then on the next scrapbook.com order, because I did order, okay, I don't have it here because I don't have the space for it right now until the room gets set up. It's in a box. I got the scrapbook.com 360 tower. So this is a brand new item that they have. They have it in white and clear. I picked up white, and I got the extra shelves, the one with the extra shelves. So there's, I believe, 8 shelves on it. I will link videos down below because I did watch a whole bunch of videos on it also, and it's super cool. It is like on a Lazy Susan crafting tower to store stuff on, so I picked that up. I did get the Stud Puffin little Lawn Fawn set, and then also I love eucalyptus, so cute. And that freebie with that order was Echo Park, just a miscellaneous. So they gave me this washi tape was my freebie. And I also picked up another scrapbook.com item, which is the ink blending tools with the domed foams. So I wanted to give these a try. I did get the big package. So now I will have 4 more the holding tools, which is awesome. And I wanted to try this stamp scrubber from Picket Fence. So it is like, I don't know, a rubbery, foamy. We'll give it a try. Obviously, it'll be a little while till I get to give it a try, but it's there. Okay, so those were my 2 orders from scrapbook.com. I did put in a Not Too Shabby shop order with Jamie. Yay, my favorite shop. It was the new Lawn Fawn stamp sets. There were a few that I just really, really wanted. Here's the year 10 with the little cactus. So adorable. I picked up the Really High Five with the guys that are jumping on the trampolines with the balloons. So cute. And then the super adorable Dandy Day. This one is so cute with the little mice and the dandelions. Really, really wanted that one. So I was good. I only got those ones. But then, my favorite things, I guess they were a little upset that I haven't ordered anything from them in a while. And I got an email with a 40% off coupon. And they also had some sale items. So I thought, you know, I'd stick some stuff in the cart and see if the 40% off came off the sale stuff. And it did. So I bought stuff. But I was in such a hurry to get them to make sure that they were still in order that I clicked on the shipping that says MFT choice. And basically what they do is they choose what's cheaper, FedEx or US Postal Service. And in my opinion, US Postal Service is cheaper. But in their opinion, it was FedEx. And with FedEx, I get duty and, ooh, sorry, shaky camera, duty and shipping fee, or duty charges. So this order was an extra $20 Canadian for me to get my happy, happy mail. No, I wasn't happy. I was a little upset, but once it's done, it's done. You can't fix it. So they had the little heart shaker pouches. So they're just these little ones. The single packs, they were on sale, and then with the 40% off, they ended up being $1. So I picked up 3 of them. You can never have too many shaker pouches. And then there were a few things that were on sale. I can't remember which ones. Actually, this one I know for sure was on sale because this isn't one that I normally would pick. It's called Cute Critters, and it is cute. It was only like $3 or something like that by the time everything was done, so I thought that was adorable. And then this one was also on sale, Magical Friends, and I really, really wanted this one to go with the other stamp set that I have with the dragons and the reading books and stuff like that, so I picked up that one. And then these ones were more just because they were on sale, but I also wanted them to be able to do like thank you cards and stuff like that. So there's the teacher ones. So there's Favorite Teacher, which is the little boy teacher. And there is Lessons in Love, which is the girl teacher. So those are perfect. And then there's also 2 nurses and 2 doctors. This one's doctor. Okay, it's a little weird. So this is Superhero in Scrubs, and I think he's the nurse. And then this one is Doctor's Orders, so she's a doctor. And then this one is Bedside Manners, so he's a doctor. And this one is Call the Shots, and she's a nurse. So there's a nurse girl, a nurse boy, a doctor boy, and a doctor girl. So I had to pick them up. I can't remember quite how much they ended up being, but I love them. I love Birdie Brown. She's such a great artist. So yeah, so those are my purchases. Probably making up for not purchasing stuff for the last couple of months as I've been in my limbo. But please stay tuned. I'm hoping, not this weekend, but next weekend, I will have the majority of my stuff back in the room and I can do a room tour and share with you guys. I'm super excited right now. This craft room is somewhat empty. My daughter's room is full, like hoarder style, of all of my supplies. I have a bookcase in the hallway, an IKEA Kallax shelf in my bedroom, and then all the new IKEA furniture is downstairs in my living room and dining room being put together. So yay, super excited. Cannot wait to share the finished room with you guys. So stay tuned, please subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.